Today, y'all, we back here with another banger. Today we at the bowling alley. Today is league day, and I got some content for y'all. I know it's been a while. It's been like a week or so since I posted. My bad on that, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all some bangers this whole week. And yeah, so right now we just in practice right now. I already practiced. Everybody else practicing right now. So both my teammates not here right now. So I'm bowling by myself this on my first game, and then one of them gonna be here on the second game. So I'm gonna record for y'all throughout the game. Throughout the games and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all straight content. And then all this week, I got some things for y'all, some hard meets, stuff like that. I'm gonna bring up. My dad finally got his other old school, so I'm gonna show y'all that and everything. He not finished with it, but he got it back from the paint shop, and it looked good. So I'm gonna bring y'all that, and yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So this is first frame. I ain't gonna lie, I was striking in practice. That's why I stopped. That's why I sat down. That's the first frame, y'all. It's me versus them, so I gotta ball out by myself. So this split. All right, y'all. So he about to bowl the second frame. I'm talking to the camera.
You almost here?
Still at the house. I'm gonna just play the first one out without him. First frame, Isaiah got the one that just bowled on the right. Isaiah, he just got an 8 and a 1 last frame. No, on the first frame. Second frame, he got another 8. We gonna see if he picked up. On the left is Eli. This is first frame. This is first ball. We gonna see what he can get. That's money. I saw that. That was money. Yeah, that was on there. That was money. No, you good. You good.
Oh, yeah.
That's money, though. That's so light, though. I got another strike. I'm trash. I'm trash. I don't know what you're talking about. Brandon bowled a 9 spare. Oh, he got a 9 again. He bowling straight 8s and 9s. Alright, y'all. So I got y'all on the tripod right now. I'm talking to the camera again. My bad. We lost Brandon bowling again. Brandon got another 9 spare. I got a strike 8 spare. Came on my hand wrong with the second one. So he's not bowling right now. We're gonna see what he gets. I'm up 55 right now. Thank you. So he just bowled another 8. I bowled after Eli. I'm gonna record that for y'all. They said they cool with being on camera, so I'm gonna record them bowling too, like I did in the first one. So I'm gonna cut this off and then I'm gonna flip it around because I'm on the ball. All right, y'all. So this is my third frame right here. I gotta keep it going, y'all. I cannot. We have to win all 3 games this week. I need that first place prize, man. $1,000. I need it. Eli bowling again right now. That's a good ball. That's a strike. I already knew that was a strike. That was a good ball. That was a good shot too.
Water, bro.
Me and Brandon up right now. All 3 of us got that. The one shit. All 3 of us got strikes right now. A lot of people can't do what I'm about to do, but I like when the kid over there in the corner, I throw backhand and just up. A lot of people can't do that.
That second was my fault. I should have do it again.
It slid all the way down.
That looks so good. Lost energy at the end of the game. Pay attention to that.
I'm gonna let y'all see them bowling everything. That's Brandon right there. I kind of hate playing Brandon though, because he be throwing it so slow, and he be coming right back. That's the only thing I hate about playing Brandon. But it's all. That's money. Oh my gosh. Like, I can tell when it's about to come right back. That one might be money too. That one might too. Oh, never mind. Missed it. My turn.
Going up to ball. There we go. And he releases it. Ball looks good off his hands. Ball come back. Bam. Perfect. 10 straight back. Sponsored by Hammer and Radical.
I'm gonna be sponsored by Roto Grip. I don't really like Hammer. But that ball I'm throwing right now is Hammer, and it is smacking right now. I got 4 strikes, 1 spare, 1 opening. I'm mad I got that opening though, because I don't need no openings. But I'm gonna cut this clip because this is a pretty long clip. And I'm gonna come back at the end of the game. Y'all saw the whole beginning, so. The first game, we won by 15, barely. We barely won. We on the second game now, but still being by myself, so I'm about to try to get like 250 so it ain't so close. But I'm gonna record this gameplay for y'all, the beginning again, so I can see it. And then, yeah, we got 2 strikes in a row. I am now.
Yeah, we balling. Down the ball lane. My mom on TV.
I'm dead. Brandon got a spare first frame. Isaiah got 2 strikes in a row. Eli ain't bowl yet. I got a spare my first frame. Bro, this is hard with me by myself though. Like it's real hard to be by myself. Cause it's like I don't know how it's gonna work. Like if I mess up one time, then the whole score just changed. So we about to ball, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to hop on my Duffy. You know me. Hop on my Duffy. And yeah, I'm about to turn around. Alright y'all, so Eli bowling right now. Brandon got 2 spares. It's Eli first frame right here. We about to see what he gets. Even though that should have been a strike, we needed that. Well, I needed it. I'm only at 23 points right now. I'll break this ball. Alright, it's my turn, y'all. Alright, let's go. No bad ball, that one.
216, 216.
My ball came back kind of too hard, like the oil drying up on that line, so I might have to change my ball. Oh my god, she got 3 strikes. Hold it right now. That's the next hit before the game starts. Yeah.
271, 271.
It's okay though. I'm right there with you.
142, 152. 252, 252. 150. 139, 139. 115.
I gotta bowl this way, man. Let's go. He keep trying to say it's only because of the camera. That ain't really the reason. The reason I'm bowling like this is because I'm trying to get first. I'm trying to get the knowledge.
162.
It ain't because of the camera on it. Y'all watching. That ain't fun. Messed up right there, you rush. So I'm gonna take my time every time. I don't think listen to the score. Probably won't. I just bowled my ass off. I got a 233. I didn't miss nothing. I had 3 spares, all strikes after that. I had 233. We up by 97. He on his 10th frame. He got a strike. But we won this game. I secured the bag on this one. I gotta do it one more time. We'll be good. So I'm out here taking hands off on myself, man. On myself, man. Let's go, man. But I'll show y'all the scoreboard and stuff so y'all can see it and everything. Yeah. So this is our scoreboard. That's Mo average, so he get 177 every game. And then that's Rico average, so he get that every game, whenever they absent. First game I bowled 174. Second game 233, as you can see. Over here we bowled 200, 136, and then what's that? 142, 162, 172, 182, right there. But we secured the dub, as y'all can see. So we ended up 3-0 in them, and now we one game behind first place, and we gotta play them next week. If we end up tying for the league, then we probably gonna split we got the option to either split 650 or a roll off, like a 1 game roll off, and then whoever won that gets $1,000. So this is the end of the video because I don't want to make it too long. It's already at 20 minutes. So this is for the video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I got another banger coming for y'all this week for sure. I'm dropping 3 videos this week, so be on the lookout for that.